We are in fact learning that the Enforcement Directorate is now seeking judicial custody of BRS leader K Kavitha for another 14 days. The ED has in fact told the court that K Kavitha has made attempts to influence the witnesses, even tampered with evidence, and hence they are seeking judicial custody for another 14 days of K Kavitha. And the order in fact on judicial custody has been reserved. This is the latest we are learning. Remember, K Kavitha was remanded to judicial custody till today, 9th of April earlier. That was the order that had been passed on 26th of March. And now we are learning is that the ED has asked for another 14 days of judicial custody of K Kavitha. Ananya joins us with more details. Ananya, what was the argument presented by the Enforcement Directorate?
Well, the Enforcement Directorate has constantly stated that, K Kavitha is somebody who is very, very influential in nature. She can tamper with the evidence in this particular case, and there have been attempts in the past made by her to influence the witnesses in this particular case, and that's exactly why, Ms. K Kavitha should be sent to 14 more days of judicial custody. The case file was not here. The IO was a little late, so in fact, the court said that the orders will be passed in some time after the court looks at the case diary. As to the case diary is a document which is maintained by the investigation agencies, which show the daily developments of the investigation. It has all of the details about what has been done. However, Mr. Rana, who was appearing for, in fact, K Kavitha, said that there is nothing mentioned and no new ground has been mentioned in fact, the remand application. Countering that, the Enforcement Directorate said that, at this particular stage of remand, the Enforcement Directorate is not obliged to give everything to the accused, but for the court, definitely this diary would be presented to the court, and the court would be looking into it and then would be passing orders. But interesting thing, Akansha, that happened to the hearing is that Ms. K Kavitha wanted to address, in fact, herself. However, the court did not permit it, and in fact, the Enforcement Directorate too, in fact, opposed this particular demand. We saw what happened when Mr. Kejriwal had, tried to appear, tried to address the court himself. He made certain submissions, and that was recorded, and things went viral on social media, and that's exactly why, in fact, the court would not have permitted the same. And when there are lawyers already present in the court, then
right.
there is no need for a particular accused unless and until there is some kind of a physical torture or something that something grave would have happened. So that has at this particular point of time not been permitted. The court has said that it will pass the orders in some time. It will come back though after it would see the case diary. So we'll have to see as to how things pan out after, in fact, the case diary is presented before, in fact, Special CBI Judge Kaveri Baweja.
All right, Ananya, we'll keep coming back to you as and when more developments take place. Many thanks to you for bringing in all those inputs.